The double curly braces you saw last video aren't limited to plain variable names, they run real JavaScript expressions. In this video you'll interpolate object properties, math, ternaries, and function calls directly in a template. A ref can hold an object too. Vue makes every property inside it reactive as well. Vue reads straight through the nested property, user.name, with no special syntax needed. Real arithmetic runs directly inside the braces and the result is interpolated. A ternary expression picks one of two strings based on a real condition, all in one line. Calling greet, inside the braces runs the real function and interpolates its return value. Plain static text can't reflect anything about your actual data. Interpolation lets you compute and display real values, arithmetic, conditionals, function results, right where the text appears. Runs any single JavaScript expression, including nested property axes and math. Ternaries are the standard way to show one of two values in line based on a condition. Only expressions are allowed inside, full statements like if-else are not. Add a ref holding a number, and interpolate a ternary that shows even or odd based on it. Next, binding real HTML attributes to your data with vbind.